Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Exciting news about Samsung's Galaxy S24 series is buzzing, especially with the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 17, 2024, just around the corner. Someone apparently got a sneak peek, unboxing the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and shared it on Twitter before disappearing. The images showed the phone in a striking gold color, boasting a new titanium frame, marking a shift from Samsung's usual curved screen to a completely flat design this year. The leaked promotional materials, shared by tech leak expert Evan Blass, give us a glimpse into the advanced features of the Galaxy S24 series. Samsung is highlighting its improved Galaxy AI, promising an intuitive and smarter mobile experience. Key features include Circle to search with Google, allowing users to search anything on screen without a screenshot, and Live Translate for instant call translations. The Note Assist AI feature is set to revolutionize note-taking, making summarizing, formatting, and translating notes a breeze. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to be a powerhouse in photography and videography, boasting a 200-megapixel main camera, 8K video recording capabilities, and a remarkable 100x space zoom. The standard Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus are also gearing up to impress with their advanced features and specifications. As we edge closer to the launch date, these leaks have certainly ramped up the excitement for Samsung's latest flagship series. Stay tuned for more updates and get ready to explore everything about the S24 series soon.